There have been some extraordinary cricketers over the years who have not just been astonishing on the field, but quite rarely, exceptionally well studied too. Here's a look at some of the greats of Indian cricket who took their education pretty seriously. Anil Kumble, the great leg spinner, did his pre-university college education from National College in Basavanagudi. He then went on to attain higher studies and completed his graduation with a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Rashtriya Vidyalaya College of Engineering. Rahul Dravid. Rahul did his schooling from St. Joseph's Boys High School in Bangalore. He holds a graduate degree in commerce from St. Joseph's College of Commerce as well. He was selected in the Indian national cricket team while pursuing his MBA from the same institute, making him one of the most well-educated cricketers in India. VVS Lakshman. VVS did his schooling from Little Flower High School in Hyderabad, and after finishing with the higher secondary education, he went on to pursue MBBS. His choice or parents, we don't know, but he never left his passion for cricket. As it was destined, VVS realized that his passion laid elsewhere, and he ultimately chose cricket instead of a career in medicine. The fantastic batsman that he was, he now holds an honorary doctorate degree awarded by Tehri University, New Delhi on February 4, 2015. Ravichandran Ashwin, the immensely skillful off-spinner that he is, holds a bachelor degree in information technology from the reputed SSN College of Engineering in Chennai. Before that, he completed his schooling from Padma Sheshadri Bala Bhavan and St. Pages. He even has worked in Cognizant Technology Solutions, but as it was destined, Ashwin decided to choose his passion over his profession. Amey Khurasia, the left-hand batsman, is widely regarded as a veteran of Indian domestic cricket, and he even made his debut for India in the year 1999. But before being selected for the Indian national side, he completed his IAS exams and became an IAS officer. Krishnamachari Srikanth, an explosive batsman in his time, graduated from the prestigious College of Engineering with the electrical engineering degree. Aveshkar Salvi, compared with the great Glenn McGrath for his bowling technique, the right-arm medium pacer holds a doctorate degree in astrophysics. Suresh Raina, the extremely determined and likeable left-hand batsman, made his debut for India in 2005 against Sri Lanka, after which he attained a bachelor degree in commerce from University of Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Murli Vijay, born and brought up in Tamil Nadu, the right-hand opening batsman earned the postgraduate degree in economics from the renowned SRM University in Chennai.